Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add subscribe button on Instagram. So firstly, go to your Instagram app, open your app, and once you're on your profile page, so what you have to do here is click on the three lines here on your top right. Oh sorry, just before doing that, so what you can straight away do is that just make sure that your account is on a business account, because this option will only be available for business accounts. So make sure your Instagram profile is a business account. So once you're on your account, what you have to do is click on edit profile. So when you are on your edit profile, you see an option here called add buttons. So click on it. So when you click on add button here, you should see an option. You have some predefined buttons here. You should see an option called subscribe as well. So if you have that, so what you have to do is just click on it and then configure it on your for your account. So some accounts, they don't have the subscription option. So in case if you don't have the subscription option, you have to contact the Instagram help center. So if you go to report a problem, so just go to help center and just type in report a problem, and then here all you have to do is include, and here type, just mention that your subscription button is missing, I just need it. So send and then type it and then send it, and Instagram will look into it. So that's how we can fix the issue if you're having an issue with finding your subscription button. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.